So I'm going to show you how to make the Gboard or the Google keyboard your default keyboard on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. So if you prefer to use Google keyboard, first thing you need to do is make sure it's installed on your phone. It does not come pre-installed, so you have to go to the Google Play Store, find Gboard, and then go ahead and install it. If you have Gboard installed already, then you simply need to go to Settings. Under Settings, go to General Management, tap on that, and then go to Keyboard, and then go to Default Keyboard. You want to tap on that, and then you should see Google Keyboard. Now, if you don't see Google Keyboard, do not panic. Just go under All, where you can see all your keyboards, and then make sure you enable Google Keyboard. Now, once it's enabled, you can now go back to the default keyboard setting and then select Gboard. And now, whenever you're on the keyboard, it's going to use the Google keyboard instead of the default Samsung keyboard. Thanks for watching. Good luck.